Hi, Mark here again from Dang Good Window Cleaning. Thought we'd do another short video for everybody wanting to see how we get our windows cleaned dang good here at Dang Good. So we have a pole fed system here we're going to use on these higher windows. Once again, this product is phenomenal. We will clean your windows from the exteriors without ladders. And when we're done, these are a streak-free window. No spots, no streaks, and very important, folks, we get a dang good clean and we're dang safe. So here we go. And we just want to make sure we get this window scrubbed. Nice and even, good coverage. Nice and easy like this. Again, this is pure water, folks, so there's no spots left on the window once we're done. As you can see here, I'm going to go up and just do a final rinse on this window. Make sure it washes everything off. Simple as that, folks. That window is done. Now we're going to move right over to the next one and get the other side of this. Same thing, we're just going to repeat. Give them a good scrub. And you're not going to see the full clarity of these windows until the insides are done. But this is a good example, folks. Gives you a real good idea of what we do here. We will have some traditional squeegee cleaning coming right up.